So next concept is what? Hbase. So basically, as I have discussed with you, GFS is the right Google file system. So as it is having some problem with that, later Yahoo has introduced what? HDFS, alternative to that, for storing your data, as well as MapReduce has been given as what? MapReduce only. There in Google you are having big table. Big table is there, it's a database. So alternatively they have changed this one as what? Hbase. Okay, there it is what? Big table, here it is what? Hbase. Simply to say, it is NoSQL database. It is what? NoSQL database. All your data will be taken in the form of key comma value pairs here. Okay, here also it is taking data in the form of key comma value pair. Key comma value pair only. Sir, what is a key comma value pair type? Very important and toughest question for your interview, that they will ask you, and in which format this Hbase will deal that data. I mean, in which format this Hbase will take that data. Key comma value pair. But what format of the file, I mean, what format of key it is, what format of value it is. No, byte array types it is. Byte array. Both key and value pair, both are what? Byte array types only. So it is what? Very important question. Hbase will take key comma value pairs in the form of byte array types. In the form of byte array types. And it is NoSQL database, and it is what? Taking data in the form of column format. So here it is having column family. So here it is having what? Column family. Here it is having column family. So what this column family will have? So basically, this column family is going to have column name and its corresponding value type with some timestamp. So that one we are actually calling it as what? Version type. Nothing is there here. Very easy. Just let me tell you. I'll give you some small table, just 2 rows table. I'll give you some difference between actual table and what? Hbase table. Suppose if I am taking ID name only. ID name and what? Salary I am taking. So 101 A I am taking some salary 100. 102 B I am taking some 200 salary is there. So how does it seems like? Basically our general table with some rows and columns. If I am taking the same data, if I am going to put the same data into what? Hbase. So how does it seems like? So nothing is there. It is taking what? 101 as row. Here it is taking what? Column plus shell. Next here it is taking column is equal to it is taking some column family name. So basically when you are giving this one, you have to give some column family name. Just say that I am giving what? CF, column family, colon. What is that second one? Name it is, right? What is that column family name? Name it is. Name. Next, what is that value? For 101, what is that value here? A. So it is taking some timestamp here, and it is taking some value as what? A. Some value as what? A. Okay, value as A here. Next, again it is taking 101. You may be getting some doubt, sir, it is taking only name, right? But what about salary here? Again it is taking 101 for the same ID. Again it is taking what? Column here is equal to CF colon. Now it is what? Salary, right? Salary, and it is giving some timestamp here. Again it is giving some value is equal to what? 100. Okay, next again it is giving 102 some column. Okay, and here it is giving CF comma colon name, timestamp here it is giving, as well as some value will be given here as what? B. Next 102 only will be there, and it is giving column is equal to same CF, and salary it is giving, and timestamp it is giving, value is equal to what? 200. Sir, We are not understanding all these things. Nothing is there. Just let me tell you this one. This is actually what? Row format. Row format. If I wanted to take this same thing in column format, how does it is? How it is going to be done? ID, name, salary. 101, 102. A, B, 100, 200. This is actually what your column format. Okay, this is actually what your column format. Now see, 101 is there, right? For 101, what is that value here? A, and what is that, salary here? 100. So both of these will become what? Both of these will become one row in your row format database, row format table. Again, both of these will become what? Another row. Means for this 102 ID, name is what? B, and salary is what? 200 for same 102, right? So rows can be duplicate here, rows can be duplicate here, but this timestamp will be what? Yes, different, unique timestamp only will be given over there. Okay, column family name should be there for all this. Okay, and it should be what? Same. Column family name should be same. So this is what basic part of what giving Hbase table. So here how many points we have discussed? Data will be taken in the form of key comma value pairs, and it is what? NoSQL database, and your data will be taken in the form of row format, column format oriented way. Next, all your key comma value pairs will be taken in the form of byte array types. So here Hbase is having its own API. If you want, you can design that API and you can create table and you can dump data into that. There is no problem at all. Okay, so if you wanted to work with this Hbase, one service should be started. What is that service? What is that service? Hmaster service it is. Hmaster service it is. Hmaster service it is. Okay, Hmaster service it is. Hmaster service it is. So if you want, if this Hmaster service is not there, then Hbase will not be running. Basically here, how to start this Hmaster service? Very easy here. Once you are going to install this one, they will be having what? Hbase hyphen start will be there. Dot all. Okay. Hbase hyphen start dot all will be there. Some name will be there. You can just give that one so that it will be started automatically. For suppose if it is single node cluster, but generally where we are going to work generally, so there you must give this one. You must give this one. Sudo space /etc /init.d/ Hadoop hyphen Hbase hyphen master space start. If you can give this one, your Hmaster service will be started, so that your Hbase will be started. So here also it is having plenty of commands. So how to create table with table name, how to give that column family name, so how to put your data into a table with some rows and with some values with some column family name. So how to drop that table, how to disable that table. So there you are directly dropping your table, drop table name you are giving. So your table name will be dropped. But here before dropping that table you have to disable that first and you have to drop that one. So how to disable, how to drop those tables, and how to work with this API, that everything you will see in next class. Okay, thank you.